Myself B. Malati, research scholar under the guidance of Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya garu. Now I am here to present the paper India Abusive Government of Telangana GOT 2011, a constitutional IT solution, an SMI solution, that is social media intelligence solution. And this is the solution towards the cybercrime case study, that is India Abusive GOT. Now this has been published in journal IJREC and the conference proceedings of ICSTM in 2018. Now here, to understand the basics of this particular cybercrime case study and the objective of this paper, the cybercrime, that is JNTUH Jack online organization. Now this crime has been mishandled by the concerned public authorities. The concerned public authorities are nothing but the JNTUH public authorities and the police authorities. And even though proper evidences have been put forth, they haven't handled this case properly. So we have come up with some alternatives for legal and law enforcement authorities. And for that purpose, we have conducted a survey. Now this survey will test the SNS usage related skills, that is social networking sites usage related skills that provides the social media intelligence to the potential victims. And also it acts as a remedial solution to the cybercrime case study committed by the JNTUH Jack. Even we have presented the detailed analysis which reflects the consequences and influence of the awareness and national consciousness programs in JNTUH University academics. These are the keywords. And next, when moving on to the introduction, the Government of Telangana 2011, did it exist? No. So it's a non-existent Government of Telangana to which JNTUH Jack claims the belongingness from 2011, and some screenshots are also put up in the coming slides for the proof. The GOT 2011 is the India Abusive GOT, that is IA-GOT, and it is also cheating GOT, seditious GOT, fake GOT, cyber criminal GOT. Now these are all the multiple crimes of online cheating and online sedition. Right? They have also violated the State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 and even Sedition Law and even IT Act 2008 under the Identity Theft Section 88A. Now this actual GOT 2014, it has been appointed on 2nd June 2014. After the Parliament has passed this AP Reorganization Bill and hence the name PGOT, that is. And it has come into existence aftermath of the prevalence of this GOT 2014. Now, even though the proper evidences have been provided from the Internet Archives of Wayback Machine using Web Robo tool, that is web crawler tool, the legal proceedings have been shown to diffuse the effects in this case, but still the court did not punish the accused because the two benches turned to the hostile witnesses. Thus, this JNTUH public authorities and also the concerned police authorities, all these mishandled or failed to provide the justification, and they reacted disproportionate to the sequence of steps taken by us. So after we have taken this as a challenge and thought of different alternatives and to diffuse these the influence of these cyber crimes, possible solutions, and we have created few web pages with the case study and included some methods to bring the awareness and national consciousness among the students. Now the methodology of this particular survey, it included 18 MTech fresher students, okay, and it was done by making use of 6 social media which are provided there, that is YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, SoundCloud and ISSU. The main objective of this study is to achieve social media intelligence for the students of JNTUH. and these students are SIT, School of Information Technology students of JNTH University itself. Now, after this thorough analysis, the SMI of these students is considered to be very high, which is very much impressive. The questions which were asked in this particular survey are shown in the slide. That is 5 points, how it serves the purpose of diffusing FGOT by using all the 6 accounts. This is the analysis summary which is shown in a table format, each row including the student, that is student wise and social media wise content analysis summary. And these are the screenshot which are the good representatives of the solutions of the questionnaire. That is one screenshot of Facebook, then Google Plus. Similarly, the other, that is Twitter, ISSUU, SoundCloud. And finally, the conclusions are shown up in this particular slide. Social media analytics is in the backdrop of 4-fold cybercrimes. Now, this their impact in the higher education environment in Telangana during 2011 to 2018 also. Next, the academic character of this and quality in JNTUH has become mooted consequently. The quality pitfalls indicate that the national orientation of JNTUH should improve, because all the 4 cybercrimes affects the national fabric, and the remedial phase period spanning 2014 to 2018, it does not show any indication of the steps by the administrative departments of JNTUH and government or police. So all the 3, JNTU, government of Telangana and police, nobody have taken appropriate steps to diffuse this particular fake government of Telangana. Therefore, we recommend, or it is recommended, that the white paper should be released in order to diffuse such a cyber criminal government of Telangana. If not, the Mother India consciousness is now reflected, right, in the social media analytics of these fresher students' opinions and sentiments. Now, our SMI solution to this India Abusive GOT 2011 can be taken up by capturing more coverage of students, that is a future scope. Now, the higher degree of cyber